It's a busy Saturday night when a 911 call comes in.
911, what's your emergency, please?
The caller is at 14770 Orchard Parkway, Arbor Square Apartments, reporting a disturbance in Unit 1. Details are vague. The caller is frantic. It sounds like there could be a fight. The dispatcher confirms the caller is safe and dispatches the nearest units. Nearby, Officer Jefferson and Officer Torres are on patrol. They receive the call from dispatch and drive to the scene. As Torres keeps his eyes on the road, Jefferson scans the call details. It's listed as a domestic, but they both know that call event never guarantees anything. They'll have to knock, assess, and see what they're walking into. This is usually where the software story ends. It's everything Officers Jefferson and Torres would have before arriving on scene, never really knowing what's waiting for them on the other side of the door. But today is different. Today, the department is using CentralSquare One, our unified AI intelligence platform. Instead of relying only on what's in the call notes, Officers Jefferson and Torres can see exactly what they're up against before they ever arrive on scene. Our system automatically generates a summary based on the complete history. 5 incidents in the past 18 months, all involving the same person, including one just 15 minutes prior. The software informs the officers of risk factors detected, domestic violence history at this location, active warrant for the resident, possible weapon in the home. Pattern suggests escalating behavior. The officers select the location on the map and instantly get critical intel to keep them safe. They see the history of prior calls at that address. They can see drone footage and vehicle information, and they see the right information to formulate a plan before ever stepping out of the cruiser. But most importantly, what didn't happen here? No tab hunting, no system switching, no time spent digging for clues. This is next-generation public safety technology, pulled together with no manual intervention. But wait, there's more. Because this technology isn't just for emergencies, it's for your entire operation. It's for your building inspectors and your code enforcement team, so they can have location information to stay safe before heading to an address. It's for your whole agency to have real-time intelligence, addresses, phone numbers, and past incident reports. And it's for your community. Because when your team makes faster, smarter, and more informed decisions on the ground, it helps keep everyone safe. At the end of the day, we all want the same thing. Everyone goes home at night. That's what these tools do. They help you with faster response, smarter decisions, safer communities. This is the future of public sector technology, and it's available today only from CentralSquare.